my Tesla got the latest version of full self-driving as a 30-day trial, and we're checking it out. Julia is behind the steering wheel, but the car is doing everything itself. It decides to turn left here. Okay, so now the light is
turn left
green.
onto Nanaimo Street.
It's a bit confused, but it's doing it.
Good job.
Yeah, this is the future. Okay, now it decides to switch lanes. Okay, now it's like I need to go past these slow cars. Let's go quickly. So we're on the highway now. Okay, yeah, it's going off the highway. Yeah, I think it needs to merge here. It needs to take a careful look. Okay, that was good. Actually, it doesn't need to merge. Oh yeah. The right lane is a turning lane. We're getting closer to Deep Cove. Julia is supervising.
Turn left onto Deep Cove Road.
Oh, this is an easy left turn, I would say.
Now turn left onto Panorama Drive.
Okay, so now it needs to navigate this intersection. It's a stop all way. Okay, that car goes first, so now it's our turn. Yeah, that goes well. So I'm close to a parking spot now, and a P appears on the screen. It is gray. I can click it, and then I have to shift to reverse and click start, and now it will automatically park the car for me. It's kind of crazy to see the steering wheel like turn on itself like that.
Look. Does perfect park. Better than a human.
So I'm gonna show one more feature, and that is called summon. So in my Tesla app, I have a button summon. Press and hold controls to move vehicle.
Oh.
Okay, so now it's driving. I wonder if I stand in front of it, if it will move.
Look, there's no one in the car. It's driving by itself.
Another feature is called go to target. So I have this button here. Oh, okay, I need to press on the person and then click come to me. Press and hold.
Okay, let's see what it's doing now. Whoa. This is insane. Look at this.
This is crazy.
This is a
The
car
car is just
driving
driving
with no
towards
one
me.
in it. Look. It's moving. You clearly see that it's empty.
So yeah,
What do you
that's the
think?
summon feature.
Yeah.
It's crazy.